Hello. Singapore is a really small place, and if you've lived here long enough, it can feel like there's not much left to do. So what I've tried to do is check out familiar places from a completely new perspective or a different angle. And one of those places is Chinatown. Chinatown is a place I go to all the time because the bar I used to work at is located there, and so anytime I need to get to work, hop on the train, walk to work, and I wouldn't really take in my surroundings. It would just be sort of a get from point A to point B sort of mindset. But what I found out recently is there's a bunch of murals that are scattered across Chinatown. So I thought it'd be fun to hunt down these murals, like a bit of a treasure hunt, and I'm gonna bring you along for the journey. By the way, all the murals I find in this video are only walking distance away from each other, so if you wanna go out there and do it yourself in a day, super easy. I'll just put links in the description below and you'll be able to see where all these different murals are. Time to show you the ones that I managed to find. This first piece is called Mid-Autumn Festival by Yip Yew Chong. Remember that name because he's actually got quite a few murals in Chinatown. We've got some kids playing with the classic cellophane lanterns, while the parents sit back, relax, and enjoy some traditional mid-autumn snacks. Look at that guy. He's really enjoying those snacks. Another piece by Yip Yew Chong is called The Letter Writer. Back in the day, these letter writers played an important role in helping our migrant forefathers contact their loved ones back in China. It's pretty crazy to think about, especially given how easy it is for us to communicate today. This third mural by my main man, Yip Yew Chong, once again, is probably my favorite mural. It's called the Cantonese Opera, and it's just got so much going on. You've got the performers, the backstage band, and even this cheeky little lady poking her head out from the side. I really love the addition of the Sing delivering food backstage to the Cantonese performance. It's a nice little nod to the social and racial harmony we experience in Singapore. Same man, different mural. This one's called My Chinatown Home, and it gives you a snapshot of the earlier days in Chinatown, showing some of the artist's childhood memories. This one's pretty cool because he made use of existing features in the wall, like these metal doors, and found a way to incorporate them into the piece. And I'm pretty sure the fella's got a sense of humor too. These next three pieces were painted by Belinda Low. This first one is a tribute to the Samsui women who came to Singapore from the Guangdong province in China. They were looking for construction and industrial work and essentially helped build Singapore from nothing. Bridge Over Calm Waters is a tribute to those who remained resilient and optimistic during the hardships of life. The turtle and koi fishes symbolize longevity and prosperity. This final piece is probably my favorite from Belinda because it's got such a nice depth to it. It's to remind us of the past when multi-generation families used to live together under one roof. I ended off the day with this fun pop arty piece of Bruce Lee done by the School of Design. And I figured the perfect way to end the day was with a good drink and some good food. I managed to find in this video only scratch the surface of what actually is out there. So check out the links in the description below and you'll be able to see all the different murals that the artists have and the different places you can find them. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.